No junk, no fuss, just 5 wholesome homemade lunchbox ideas every mom should try. Roti sabji is great, but sometimes our kids also deserve a little variety, just like we enjoy different meals. So I love packing healthy, homemade recipes like these in their lunchbox. If your kids don't like cabbage, this recipe is going to surprise you. These soft cabbage and capsicum muthias are healthy, delicious, and perfect for lunchboxes. Homemade recipes like these once or twice a week. It keeps their lunchbox exciting, helps them eat more vegetables, and they come back with an empty lunchbox too. Small changes like these can make lunchtime something they actually look forward to. These protein-rich, fiber-packed muthias are a delicious way to add more veggies to your kids' lunchbox. Save this recipe and give it a try. You won't believe how incredibly soft and delicious these rotis turn out. They're naturally sweet, so kids absolutely love them. First, boil 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and mash them really well. Add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a little salt, and a splash of milk. Mix everything together and knead it into a soft dough. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. This helps the flour absorb the moisture, making the rotis softer and easier to roll. These rotis are packed with fiber, vitamin A, and complex carbs, giving kids long-lasting energy while supporting healthy eyes, digestion, and immunity. Save this recipe and give it a try for your little ones. If you're looking for a healthy dessert that kids actually get excited about, this is one of my children's all-time favorites. Today, I'm making this wholesome broken wheat sweet that's perfect for an evening treat or even a festive dessert. First, wash broken wheat well, add water, and pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Once it's soft, add a pinch of salt and some hot water. Now mix in jaggery and stir until it melts completely. Add crunchy cashews and fresh coconut chunks, then pour in a half cup of milk. Finish with a little cardamom powder, give everything a good mix, and let it come to one final boil. Who says sandwiches need bread? Today I'm making a super tasty mini chapati sandwich that's perfect for your kids' lunchbox. For the stuffing, mash some boiled chickpeas. Add grated paneer, chili flakes, finely chopped green chili, fresh coriander, and a little salt. Mix everything really well. Now take a mini chapati, sprinkle some grated cheese, spread the chickpea paneer stuffing evenly, and top it with another layer of grated cheese. Cover with 1 more mini chapati and gently roast both sides with a little butter until golden and crispy. Save this recipe for those busy school mornings. Don't skip the leaves until you've tried this crispy sweet corn recipe. Think your kids won't eat the leaves? This recipe will change that. First, trim the roots of the fresh dill leaves, wash them well, and finely chop them. Finely chop 1 boiled corn cob and add it to the dill. Now add jowar flour, wheat flour, besan, crushed ginger garlic, chili flakes, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt, and a little water. Mix everything into a soft dough. Since I'm making this for a school lunchbox, I pat it like a thali peet, drizzle a little oil around the edges, and cook it on a hot tawa until both sides are golden and crispy.